Hello, my name is Ben Jansen, and this is my midterm oral report video. The technical issue that I faced was I struggled to integrate 3 different classes into a single test fixture. So in this case, it was a class representing a GPS unit, a class representing an RMU unit, and a class that takes in imported data and exports it to a file for logging. What I tried to do to remedy the issue initially was to import the other 2 classes into the existing text fixture for the 3rd class. I tried this with all 3. That didn't end up working, so what I had to do was create a 4th new test class and import all 3 of them separately into it in order to run a test correctly. The result was that I was able to successfully integrate and test all 3 of the classes together. I was able to create a GPS, import test data into it, use the created toString method to export that data, do the same thing with an RMU, create test data, and then export that test data, and then use the trace API to take that exported data as a string and write it out to a logger file. Next time around, I would recognize that the simplest solution is not always the easiest. When I first encountered the problem, I assumed the simplest solution would be to simply import the GPS and the RMU data directly into the trace API test case, but I was unable to get this working, so I ended up, like I said, creating a 4th test case and imported all 3 classes into that. So I learned that just because a solution seems simple initially, it might not be the most straightforward way to approach a problem and might not end up being the most simple solution. Thank you for watching.